2-month update. 5.3. Gonna break it down. Cleaning the frame. Trying to get everything ready. Gonna need to drill for the holly mounts. Elongate this hole. Drill a new hole here, I believe. Yeah, elongate this hole. There's a hole that's gonna be drilled in here. Yeah, pretty much just been on a parts purchase, trying to get everything so I don't gotta be stopping and waiting. Mind you, I come from the world of small block Chevys, and LT1s rule the world, so yeah, I can see why people go to LS. A lot of just simpleness, like gaskets, a lot of simple, like easier stuff. But I'll put a parts list up, what I want, how I went with stuff. But yeah, Amazon oil pan, the knockoff 30202, Chuck Norris cam, valve spring seals, push rods, like install tools, valve cover gaskets, starter, water pump. Went with an LS1 so I could have the forward facing hose, not instead of vertically up. ICT bracket for the swap Holley Blackheart mounts, upper and lower. eBay gas tank, racetronix 255 pump, racetronix harness. Wound up going with AN-8AN. They include connects. Some might be down there. I think I have somewhere else. They include the plugs, so if you don't want to go with those. What else? Trailblazer intake, turnless line, 50-pound injectors, the flex fuel, PSI harness, PCM mount, PTFE -AAN, Corvette fuel regulator, Edelbrock 90mm throttle body, muscle rod, BRP, trans cross member. What else? 5.3 motor. Just been cleaning, trying to get shit fucking cleaned up. Rear end was filthy. Overall, car underneath wasn't too bad, which had me pretty shocked. So, got it all blacked out. Yeah. Just finishing cleaning. Hopefully get started on this. Waiting on the headers, went with Speed Engineering. And then got a little list of mixing other knacks and like radiator still gotta get, and truck gas pedal cable. But yeah, little update. Put a parts list. Got a good chunk of money. That's where it seems like this LS stuff is a good chunk of money up front. I just an 81 Malibu, so it's carbureted. So all this, like if you get lucky with a, you could do a lot cheaper, way cheaper. But yeah, just the way I'm trying to run it. Alright, y'all.